Okay, this is BLACK+DECKER drill. It's very cool. You can see that battery. It's like not so chunky. You can fit it here and you can start using it. It's got around 10 different options for screwing and unscrewing, which is you can adjust it from here. And there is a speed, 1 or 2 here, and then drill here. And if it's the surface is very hard, like a concrete or something, you can use this one. I had no issues with this, and it's a pretty cool drill for the price. I highly recommend this. It comes with the box and charger, and you can also get it with this if you want, which is really nice, which comes up with the screws and everything. So I usually don't use all of this, but it's nice to have this around.